UTP cable, wire stripper, RJ45, crimping tool, and LAN tester. Step 1. Cut into the plastic sheet 1 inch from the end of the cut cable. The crimping tool has a razor blade that will do the trick with practice. Step 2. Unweight and pair the similar colors. Step 3. Pinch the wires between your finger and straighten them out as shown. The color order is so important to do this correctly. White orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, and brown. White green, green, white orange, blue, orange, white brown, brown. Step 4. Use wire cutter to make a straight cut across the wire 1/2 inch from the cut sleeve to the end of the wires. Step 5. Push the wires into the connector. Each wires fit into the slot in the RJ45 connector. Note the position of the blue plastic shielding. Also note how the wires go all the way to the end. Step 6. Take view from the top. Make sure the wires are all the way in. There should be no short wires. Step 7. Crimping the cable. Carefully place the connector into the Ethernet crimper and cinch down on the handles tightly. The copper splicing tabs of the connector will pierce into each of the 8 wires. There is also a locking tab that holds the blue plastic sleeve in the place for a tight compression fit. When you remove the cable from the crimper, the end is ready to use. Make sure to test the cables before installing them. An inexpensive Ethernet cable tester does this quite well. For a standard, straight-through cable, repeat all steps and wire color order on the other end of cable. White orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, brown.